Swipe Recoveries is a debt collection company which started in the year 2009. Primarily, we started to offer debt collection, investigation services, skip tracing, asset searches, and thereafter we found there was a gap that we go collect or do investigations. Then when it comes to asset repossessions, we are not licensed. So we pursued and got licensed as auctioneers. So now we are debt collectors and auctioneers. We do debt collection, auctioneering, and investigation services.
Okay.
And we have been in existence for the last 15 years, since 2009.
And what sets Swipe Recoveries apart from other debt collection companies in the market?
First, some of the things that sets us apart is the existence. We have been here the last 15 years. This means that we already have understood the market and we have more experience. Again, in terms of our leaderships, most of our leadership, they are people who have worked in the banking sector in their positions and also in credit departments. So they understand the credit cycle. And again, it's how we approach our debt recovery, that we are firm but very courteous to people. Also in terms of training our staff and empowering them so that they come out as strong professionals when doing debt collection. So what basically differentiates us between us and other debt collectors is how we approach debt collection.
Technology has really grown in the recent time. Does Swipe Recoveries Limited utilize technology?
Yes, we have really embraced technology. These days, you cannot work without technology. We embrace technology in terms of the systems we are using to make calls. We are using auto dialers. We are using the smart collect system, where you are able to generate debt cards. You are able to do back SMSs, back emails. So technology is extremely important in our field. And again, with technology, you'll be able to know how many people you have conducted today, how much have you collected, turnaround times. So technology, we are really embracing it, and we even wish to do more. Because also with technology, it can help us to trace people who are not contactable. Someone took loan, is no longer picking calls. We can just go to your Facebook, and we'll be able to know where you work or your Instagram. So it's about technology. So we are embracing technology.
Since you have been in the market for the last 15 years,
Yes.
do you have any success stories or maybe stories of how you have helped customers recover their debts?
Yeah, success stories, there are many. You find instances of someone has 5 million, but now when you got this 5 million, you are employing a blue chip company. Now you lost your job. Now this person has gotten another job in SME. The salary is not the same. So what we negotiate with these people is we can go to a payment proposals. That if you are paying 100,000 per month, you can set 50,000. We also get in others where we are going partnering with financial institutions. For example, microfinances or some of these banks who are willing to buy off the loan. It was 5 million from this XYZ. There's another bank which is willing to buy and give you like 6 million. So through that, you have paid your 5 million and you have got an headroom of 1 million that you can use to do business. And you find those people happy. Because now this headroom will help you start a business and you continue repaying your loan.
There has been a rise in alternative lending platforms in the current time. There are fintech companies. There are so many currently. How does your company adapt to changes in the financial landscape? Considering that most of these fintechs, they give people loan without collateral, without guarantors. How do you go about it?
As it's business for us. So we don't feel threatened. The more fintech are coming, the more financial institutions are coming, the better for us because they are giving people money. Our job is to recover for them. So when they give our people and they are not paying, these fintechs are coming to us, the financial institutions are coming to us, and we collect for them. So we are embracing the fintech coming, and we want them to come more, and even more banks to keep on opening, because that's how we stay afloat. Because as it's in debt collection, we are not lenders, so we don't feel threatened by them. The more they
It's
come,
not
they
hard,
lend.
like collecting from fintechs who have no
No.
collaterals. Considering banks give collaterals, you can go and sell them.
Actually, most of the collection you find 70% is unsecured loans. Even from banks, it's unsecured. There's no collateral. Collateral is usually 20%, where you have to attach a vehicle or a house or property. So we are used to collecting where people have not, and that's why we are gurus. We don't want to be given the assets. That's a easy collection because it's just threatening someone who going to repossess a vehicle. So we are collecting from unsecured, the one with no collateral. For fintech, the only tricky part is you are giving a virtual person, someone you have never met, you don't know where this person is, you don't know, it's only what he has fed in the application. It becomes tricky. But you see, our in our experience is that we'll keep on nanking you, but in a very soft way. We'll keep on nanking you, calling you, sending you text, and telling you as well, once you pay your debt, you're going to get another loan. You don't pay, you also going to be listed. We give people options. And again, this slogan of the slogan that ndawa ya ndeni ni kulipa. So you will not run away. You can pay today, tomorrow, but bottom line you still pay. But I will keep on knocking your door till you pay. I'll be firm that you need to pay your debt, but very professional and ethical. So there's not much challenge. We don't feel challenge collecting unsecured debt.
Looking ahead, what do you see as the future trends or challenges for the debt collection industry? And how is Swipe Recoveries preparing to address them?
The future trends and challenges. The challenge I will tell you, it's embracing fast technology and artificial intelligence. We'll have to move to that space, and it's high time now we start thinking of how to fully maximize use of technology, fully maximize use of artificial intelligence. Number two challenge you find is, especially in Kenya, it's the emergence of Data Protection Act, right? In that collection, initially, you would talk to someone the way you want to talk. You will be arrogant to someone who has not paid. Now you have to be very careful. The challenge is that debtors, the more they are getting awareness of their rights, some are also becoming stubborn, that they may intentionally refuse to pay. That you are intentional. You have money, but you don't want to pay. And the only time in me to talk badly to you, and you just rush and report to me to Data Protection Authority. The problem is as well the data protection is charging then the collectors crazy money, a lot of penalties. So shying us off from doing our job. Because ideally it's like holding your hands, someone is tying your hands. Yeah, you know very well you need to push for this person to pay the debt, you are afraid of the agency, right? So I think those are the emerging challenge issues are coming, but as well as Swipe and the Sandra Kenya, we are trying also to negotiate with the Data Protection Authority so that we can also have our limits. Because if someone is intentionally refusing to pay, what are we supposed to do? So these are conversations we're having, and I'm very sure we are going to reach somewhere in a amicable way.